How do you open up a leader's mind to go, look, this works for you. You've built the company in this image, but we've got to get these folks kind of swinging the club and doing the thing the way they're designed to do it. What's the process? What's the path to accomplish that with the leader?
It's like a golf game. You talk to, I love to hit the driver, right? Well, you also got to be able to play out of a bunker. You got to get putts. You got to make sure your equipment works. And what they don't understand is when they go into business lodges, there's something they do well, and there's something they like to do. But the business requires a lot of different functions. And so I think the first thing, when people start businesses that they've got to understand, well, there's two things. One is, you got there because you're great at sales, or you're great at marketing, or you're great at technology, or you're great at finance. But then because you're so great at that, people have decided to invest in you and follow you, and you're great at that. But now you have a second job that you've never been prepared for, and that's leading people in an organization from this point to that point. And that's its own science. It just behooves all of them. You've got to become an expert in leadership